Welcome to this dynamite atrium ranch with gorgeous views of Bear Creek Golf Club. Step inside to soaring ceiling heights and huge windows for a bright and updated interior. Formal dining overlooks the backyard and serving is a breeze with convenient pass-through from the kitchen. Well-planned kitchen features a center island, pantry, gas range, and is convenient to secluded garage entry with landing space for stuff and laundry. The adjoining breakfast room and hearth room boast newly refinished hardwood flooring and are flooded with light. Step outside to patio for alfresco dining. Cozy hearth room with gas fireplace will become the go-to spot for reading, relaxing and family time.